news read by Mir Akramuddin Ahmad. The holy Shab-e Barat, the night of fortune and forgiveness, will be observed across the country tonight with due religious fervor and devotion. President Mohammed Abdul Hamid and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, in separate messages, have greeted all Muslims in Bangladesh and elsewhere across the world on the occasion of the holy Shab-e Barat. The Muslim devotees observe the holy Shab-e Barat, offering prayers, reciting from the Holy Quran, and seeking blessings to Allah for long life, peace, progress, and happiness for themselves, their families, relatives, and friends, as well as the nation and the Muslim Ummah. This year, the Muslims will observe the night in the country today with due religious fervor, staying and praying from home. Islamic Foundation has urged the country's people, including ulema mashaykhs, to offer special prayers staying home on the night of Shab-e Barat on the backdrop of coronavirus outbreak. The death toll from coronavirus now stands at 21, as a new death was recorded in the country in the last 24 hours. This was informed by Health Minister Jahid Malik through an online press briefing of Director of Health in the capital today. The Health Minister also informed that 112 new patients were identified across the country in the last 24 hours, bringing the total number of coronavirus-affected patients to 330. Information Minister Dr. Hassan Mahmood has warned that strict action will be taken against spreading rumor on coronavirus from home and abroad. He issued the warning while talking to journalists following a meeting at the Information Ministry at Secretariat today. The Information Minister said a vested quarter tries to create panic among the public and tries to put the government in a false position whenever the country faces a crisis. Dr. Hassan Mahmood said the government is determined to take action as per the law against those who are engaged in spreading rumor. Information Secretary Kamrun Nahar was present on the occasion. All emergency services will remain open, aiming to ensure services and supply chain during the holidays, and ban, control, or other such measures announced by the government on movement of the people for public interest to prevent deadly COVID-19 will be in force. This was stated in a circular of the Prime Minister's office today, signed by the Principal Secretary, Dr. Ahmed Kaikaus. The emergency services include electricity, water, gas, fire service, cleaning activities, telephone and internet, as well as vehicles and employees involved in such activities. Vehicles and workers engaged in healthcare services, as well as in carrying medicines and medical equipments, vehicles and workers related to pharmaceutical industries, vehicles and workers engaged in producing and carrying daily essential commodities, foods, baby foods, milk, dairy foods, and animal foods. The circular said other directives of the Cabinet Division and the Ministry of Public Administration regarding government holiday or weekly holiday, as well as ban, control, or other such measures on the movement of the people will also remain in force. President Mohammed Abdul Hamid has turned down the mercy petition of Abdul Majid, one of the convicted killers of Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, clearing the way for his execution. Home Minister Asaduzzaman Khan said this to media today. The president rejected the petition when it reached Bangabhavan last night after Abdul Majid sought presidential clemency for his deeds. Awami League Presidium member Mohammed Naseem has demanded that Abdul Majid, one of the convicted killers of Father of the Nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, be interrogated to find out those who had been behind the 15th August massacre. He made the demand in a video message today. The death toll from the coronavirus stands at 88,965 globally. There are currently over 15,24,000 confirmed cases in 209 countries and territories around the world. Among them, over 3,30,000 have recovered so far from the deadly disease. The death toll from the COVID-19 has crossed 17,669 in Italy, 14,792 in Spain, 14,797 in the United States, 10,869 in France, and 7,097 in United Kingdom. Finally, weather and forecast valid till 1 tonight says there is no inland report warning and no signal is to be hoisted. And that's the end of the news.